Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone that you have blocked on Facebook Messenger. So let's begin. First, open up the Messenger app. Alright, and then I kind of started the process. So let's start from the beginning. Open up the Messenger app. Once you have it open, go to your profile, and your profile is located up here. If you just tap on your profile picture up here on the upper right corner, tap on that. Alright, it takes you to your profile. Once here, scroll down until you get to where it says people over here. Tap on that. Now tap on where it says blocked people. Alright, this gives you a list of all the people that you have blocked. Alright, say if I want to block this person, one thing that I have to point out, if you pay attention here in the bottom, it says that blocked on Facebook. So this person has been blocked on Facebook, meaning before I can unblock them on Messenger, I have to first unblock them on Facebook. To do that, the first step I'll do is press here where it says unblocked. So remember, I'm only unblocking them on Facebook, then I'll come back and unblock them on Facebook Messenger. Alright, so I'll tap on where it says unblock, and then it says unblock on Facebook. I'll tap on that over here, unblocked on Facebook. Alright, it takes me to the Facebook website. Or if you have an app, it should take you to the app. And now I'll tap on where it says unblocked right here. Alright, and tap unblock again. Alright, so what I did is unblock this person on Facebook only. I haven't unblocked them on Facebook Messenger. To unblock them on Facebook Messenger, I have to go back again to Facebook Messenger. Okay, now tap. Oh, there you go, you already did it. So it has unblocked it both on Facebook Messenger and Facebook by just what I did over there. So that's how you unblock someone on Facebook. You don't have to do it the second time. I think after I unblock them on Facebook, it automatically unblocked them on Messenger also. That's how you unblock people on Facebook Messenger. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. But before I finish, maybe say if you didn't have Facebook, the Facebook app, but if you didn't have a Facebook account, but you had Messenger, you should have only stayed there at the one place on this screen where we're unblocking. So just pay attention to those minor differences. But so okay, the ending was a little bit confusing. Anyway, that's how you unblock people on Facebook. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.